Hey guys, this is Heather again, and I wanted to make sure that I was able to verbalize some of the instructions for your first assignment. Sometimes just hearing things makes it a little bit easier than just reading it because I do want you to be successful. So, this first assignment is starting your philosophy of education. And what you're going to do throughout the semester is learn things to enhance that philosophy. Your philosophy may change, your philosophy may not change, but you may learn some developmental theories, some theorists, some research that enhances what you already believe with your theory, with your philosophy. So, philosophy is just what you believe. So, right now, what you believe is going to be based on your prior experiences. You may not have any knowledge of different theories at this point, and that's fine. So when you do any assignment for 119, you're going to follow a rubric. Those rubrics are posted for you under assignments and tell you exactly how to get all of your points for that assignment. So if you follow the rubric, you should get all your points. That's how your assignments are graded in EDU 119. So when you look at the rubric for assignment 1, the first thing that you're going to do is write about what you believe the purposes of education are. You're going to give me 3 purposes. And when I say that, I don't mean in bullet points or just a list. This needs to be written in complete sentences and in paragraphs. So if you need help with that kind of thing, let's take care of it sooner rather than later. So you're going to write this in paragraphs. You're going to tell me 3 purposes of education. You might believe that a purpose of education is for children to be able to think on their own, to be creative, to allow them to have the resources and the skills needed to get a job, to be contributing members of society. Whatever you believe the purposes of education are, there's really not necessarily a wrong answer at this point, but you want to be able to tell me why you believe that. And then you're just going to follow that rubric. So there may be a question on there that asks you what you believe the basic needs of children are, and then how you're going to help meet those basic needs. There is a question where you're going to talk about what it means to be a professional in early childhood education. And then you're going to see at the bottom that I do look for words to be spelled correctly, that we look at grammar, because this is something that you're going to be able to put in a professional portfolio and it will help you in getting a job. So we want it to be professional. And then you're also going to see that it needs to be turned in on time. You'll see that on the rubric as well. And then what's going to happen is this is going to be an assignment that's not worth a whole lot of points. It's just worth 10 points. But throughout the semester, you're going to add to it. And then your final exam in this class is not a final written test, but it's your philosophy with just a lot more detail in it than what you have right now. So when you turn it in as your final exam in December, it's going to be longer, it's going to be more in depth, and you're going to show me that you have learned things throughout the semester. So that's your first assignment. And if you have any questions, again, please feel free to call, visit, or email me, and I will look forward to reading what you have to say for assignment 1. Thanks.